So I think this forum can be a contribution to that goal of getting a fact-based, reliable basis. But yeah, I think what I've heard so far is communication and ability to communicate, an ability to engage the young, an ability to engage the feminine, an ability to engage organizations, to engage the young and the feminine to a specific goal of saying what are the actions we can take for climate change.
And Ivan, I'm sorry, just to interrupt. I don't think we can afford to get into the debate over our science is better than your science.
No, yeah, exactly. You can't.
That's a fool's game. I think it needs to be. I don't care whether you believe your science or our science. The point is, we're all screwed.
Exactly.
And so the objective needs to be, how do we, back to Herman, I think it was you in a communication a few weeks back, the shift in focus in the conversation needs to be away from preventing climate change and preventing a +3 degree world. I think we need to say, I don't care whose science you believe, yours or mine or somebody else's. The reality is we need to be preparing for a very different reality than the one we were born into. How do we prepare not just humanity but the world for a 4 degree plus?
Yeah, it's quite interesting on that point. I was actually ruminating about that exact point, Jan, and I was thinking about our ancestors 300 years ago, and the way they lived is completely different to the way their children lived 100 years hence, completely different to the way they lived in the 1930s and 40s. Oh, yeah. And the way we're living today is completely different to the way they were living. It's sort of like a different species, or almost, in my view. So the question is how will our children, if they are surviving, how will they survive? Will it be the same as we living now? Will it be in a different way? Will it be better or worse? I don't know.